Hey y'all, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today I'll be making some quick and easy buttery steak bite. Okay, keep on watching if you'd like to see it, and let's get started. To begin, let's start with the seasoning. I am going to use about 1 teaspoon of each seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Also, you can use paprika, but I didn't use any paprika for this recipe. Then I added some salt, mix that together, and then we'll move on to the steak. I am going to use some beef. Yes, I did clean them myself, rinsed with lime and vinegar, the Haitian way as always. Once I am done cleaning it, I pat it dry. Now I am going to add about 3 tablespoons of W sauce on there. Just pour it all over it. Trust me, this will be an awesome recipe. Now, once I am done adding my W sauce on there, I am going to pour all of the seasoning on there, okay? Now, once you're done adding all your seasoning on there, I am going to give it a quick mix, and then I'll be covering this with some saran wrap. Place it in the fridge for about 10 minutes. I want all my seasoning to melt into this beef because I want the beef to taste delicious, okay? I am going to place it in the fridge for about 10 minutes. Once you take it out, leave it out for about 5 to 10 minutes to cool down a little bit. Now, in a cast iron or skillet, I am going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, then place my beef on there. Now make sure it's nice and hot because you want a nice color onto your meat, so make sure it's nice and hot. We're going to cook the meat 1 minute per side, okay? 1 minute per side, then flip it over. Now, once the 1 minute is up, I added 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter in there. Then you can turn off your stove by now. Just let the butter melt so you can get all that buttery flavor into your steak bites. Then you're ready to go. Basically, that's the recipe. It's quick, I know, it's so easy, and it looks absolutely delicious. And yes, indeed, it tastes delicious. This is the recipe. Once you're done, just eat it. That's all you have to do. Make sure you pour all your buttery sauce on there just to make it nice and juicy. This is it. Hope you enjoy it. I am going to eat. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.